In front of me is iiiF150 Raptor 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Start by opening Settings and tapping on Connected Devices right away. Now choose Pair New Device at the top and wait for available ones to show. When they do, tap on the one you wanna connect to and wait for the pop-up. Now click on this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to enable or disable this option, and when you're ready, hit pair. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or in case of connecting to another smartphone or a tablet, accept it manually on the second device. Anyway, as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To manage this connection, use gear icon next to saved device. Use those switches to turn on or off those features. Click on this pen at the top right corner to rename device you're connected to. Hit connect here if you want to reconnect now, especially helpful if you want to reconnect to something you use often, like speakers or headphones. And if you want to forget this device completely, tap on Forget button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!